Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use USDC on Coinbase. First, you'll need to set up your Coinbase account. This involves creating an account and completing identity verification with a valid ID. Once verified, link a payment method such as a bank account or debit card. USDC, or USD coin, is a stablecoin designed to maintain a value of $1, offering stability in the crypto market. Acquiring USDC is straightforward. From your Coinbase dashboard, click on the Trade tab and search for USDC. You can then choose to buy USDC directly with your linked payment method or convert other cryptocurrencies you hold into USDC. Enter the amount you wish to acquire, review the transaction details, including any fees, and then confirm your purchase. Sending and receiving USDC is simple. To send, select USDC from your assets, enter the amount, and the recipient's wallet address. It's crucial to confirm you are using the correct network to avoid losing funds. To receive USDC, navigate to the Receive section, select USDC, and share your unique wallet address or QR code with the sender. USDC offers several uses, from stable payments and trading to potentially earning rewards by holding it. When you're ready to convert it back, go to your USDC asset, select Sell or Convert to USD. After confirming, the funds will appear in your USD wallet. From there, you can easily withdraw your US dollars to your linked bank account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.